this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Outer Banks. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the high luxury package and the Sasquatch package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a recovery hook, we got rear park sensing, full-size spare tire, backup camera. You got your nice hard top that is black, which is pretty nice. The high clearance fender flares. Got the Sasquatch decal right there as well. A gripped running board. The Outer Banks logo. Side view camera. Blind spot detection. Spotlights. And moving to the front real quick, we do get front park sensing, skid plates, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and then nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a 12-volt lights on that side, storage cubbies, hooks and doodads. The body's molded to the outside coloring, sound deadening headliner, which is perfect for keeping sound in and sound out. You got hooks and doodads on each side to hold your gear down, and you do get your storage underneath as well. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. You got a cargo net right here, floor mats, carpeted interior with the Bronco logo. You got your windows, rear vents, some outlets as well, 110 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there with the Bronco logo right there. An even bigger cargo net, grab handle, spotlights, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 30 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, phone, voice, toggle for your screen, playback, play forward, volume, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and feel, Bronco information, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear slug, 4-wheel drive, trail control, and goat modes, windows and mirrors, cup holders, a nice little grab handle here as well. Nice little Ford decal that tells you where your vehicle's been, Dearborn, Michigan. With a nice little phone slot with some outlets. You do get you storage right here as well. Dual climate up front with heated front seats. You got your auto stop assert with your park sensing, 360 view of your vehicle. Storage below, you get some storage above as well with an outlet there, front locking diff, rear locking diff, trailer turn, traction, and hazards. And looking at our screen here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, and the apps you may download will show over here, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LB11812, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.